Hello friends. Well, today we are going to see how to change YouTube channel name on your computer. Let's open up our browser and search youtube.com. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click Customization. Click on Basic Info. Type in the new name that you want. Now it's done. You can see that your channel's name is changed from Meditation Loop to Meditation Loop 1 as I wanted. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.